Yeah, from kickoff, coach, the improvement of Umtu Shabalala today gets 2 goals and an assist. What has been the big change? You work with him every day. What has been the big change behind the improvement?
I believe a player like Shabalala is a player that has a very big, I would say, margin of progression. He's still 21 years old, and he can improve in so many areas. And one of them is that it's as a number 10, he needs to contribute more on the areas that he's supposed to help, which means the goals and assist, and sometimes to find the right decisions, the right pass, and I would say that probably there was a moments in the past that when he gets inside the box, he was taking more touches than needed, but it's something that we are correcting every day, and the good thing with him is he's an unbelievable player, and he's willing to learn and every day.